Déjala. Hey guys, so we're back at you again. Just came out of Wild Florida Safari, and now we are Abracadabra Ice Cream here in Kissimmee, Florida. And the bouncy houses are closed, you know, for practicing social distance. But we are here waiting for our pizza. It's spread apart, you know, which is pretty good, you know. But we're being safe. Everybody's being safe. You can tell they're cleaning the tables. It's good. Good job. Good job. So we got our pizza, and we're gonna get some ice cream later. It's really nice, right? Ooh, 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 so good. Ciao, y'all. Oh my God, guys. So pizza was delicious, delicious, delicious. If you live in the Kissimmee area and actually, if you live in the Kissimmee area, I'm sure you heard of Abracadabra Ice Cream. Like, they make their own ice cream, and look at the big, the liquid nitrogen tank. And their pizza is awesome. They make hot dogs, French fries. They have drinks. They have video games. It's not crowded. It's good social distancing. Destiny. Okay. So right now we're waiting on our no. Destiny, no. We're waiting on our ice cream, and we'll be back with that ice cream. So she wants to get wet, so we're wetting her. And again, she, you know, she has a thing with water. So this is good, you know, being autistic. Her sensory really, like, she has a meltdown. But this is really good. Okay, hold on. It was good. Look, you all wet now, but you cool now, right? Cool you off. Yes. Oh, feel good, Destiny. How you feel? How do you feel? You feel good. I like your shoes. I like your clothes. Who bought you those clothes? I know. Over here, baby, okay? Stay here. How's that pizza?
Good.
It's good, huh? Hold it, Mama. Hold it right. Oh no. Oh, sorry, guys. Pizza fell. The cup fell. We gotta put some more water in it, so it don't fall. There you go. She's thirsty. She's having so much fun. You know, being in the house, or, you know, what, 2 months being in the house, and, you know, social distancing, staying safe. You know, it's time we could go out, but keep away from a crowd, keep away from people. You know, especially, they went to get ice cream. Especially those that are not wearing masks and stuff. You know, everybody look out for everybody. Yeah, y'all. It's crazy. It's hot. Ah, get it, Destiny, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Gimme, gimme, gimme. I gotta put water in it so it doesn't fall again. What do you have there?
I have cookie ice cream.
Cookies and cream.
And cookie and cream.
Mm-hmm.
And there's Oreo cookies mixed up with it.
Okay.
So I want like cookie ice cream.
Wow. How does it taste?
Well, it tastes good, so Tilly wanted her own ice cream and she wanted a strawberry milkshake with cream on it. And she likes it. So she enjoys it.
Wow. And you? What does, but describe what does yours taste like? Describe it.
Subscribing is when you say goodbye.
Tú ves como ella no entiende. No, tell me how the ice cream tastes. What does it taste like?
Well,
No.
it tastes like cookies
Uh-huh.
and with whipped cream,
Uh-huh.
and it's all mixed up
Mm-hmm. What is it mixed up with?
with cookie and whipped cream.
Wow. But what is it? Is it hot or cold?
Oh.
Okay. Okay, so guys, I forgot to record the ice cream, but she had, what did you have?
The almond joy.
Almond Joy, let me see.
It's almost melted.
It's almost done. And she got what did
Banana
you have?
split.
And it's almost done. And I'm sharing a banana split here too. And the baby had cookies and cream. And I guess she had enough and she's letting it melt.
Now she's gonna go play Jungle Man.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay. Go ahead.
Thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe. So bye.
The only thing the banana is
Destiny!
bananas.